Hi, my sweets. Good morning. So today for math, we have something really, really fun. But first, what I would like you to do is take out your packet and find Tuesday. All you need today is your packet, crayons, and a pencil. Packet, crayons, pencil. So you're going to find Tuesday. Miss Ott already taught you about the 10 Commandments. So you colored Moses with his 10 Commandments. You are going to turn to the next page. This is a fact test. I am not doing this with you. You are doing this alone. You are not going to be using the doubles wrap. So let's just review the doubles wrap. I want you to say it with me. You shouldn't have to look at it. We've said it so often now, you should have it memorized. It's the doubles, baby. Ready, set, go. It's the doubles, baby. Let's go. Let's go. It's the doubles, baby, and we start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh, 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10 again. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. You got it. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. And 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. You got it. If you want to pause me now, since we just reviewed, and do this, you can. You can pause me, do your fact test, and then I'll help do you. Bleh, I will help you do the next page. There we go. My tongue got twisted. Parents, please do not let your child use the doubles wrap. When they come back to school, they will do this all alone. And whatever they get wrong, that's their grade in the grade book. So teaching them how to do this alone, teaching them how to find the answers on the name tag, is so, so important, because when we come back to school in January, if they don't know how to do it, they're going to fail all their tests. So please have your child do this alone. If they don't do well, still send it to me. Send me a picture of it. But then you know and I know, like, hey, they need more practice, and I can send you more practice, or you know to practice with them at home. Okay? That way we can work together to help your child. So if you want to pause it, my video, and do this now, go for it. If not, if you want to do it later, please turn to the next page. This is the only thing that we are going to need our pencil for right now. I need you to write your name at the top. I already did that. You need to write your name. So I'll give you time to do that. Write your name with your pencil. And then you are going to turn your packet. So it looks like this. We're going to make a graph today. So our student-friendly learning target, it's student-friendly, you're a student, and it's friendly to you, it's easy for you to understand, is we are going to find a sum. You will find a total by counting on. Here's what we're going to use to do that. I'm going to roll 2 dice, and we're going to find out the sum of the dots, the total of the dots, by counting on. So if we know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, so if we know there's 4 here, we count on 4. Next one would be 5, 6, 7. That's what we're doing. All right, my loves, what I would like you to do is take out the color that I tell you. I want you to take out blue. I pulled out a blue. Take out blue. We're all going to use blue, and we're only using blue. Ooh, mine hopped out of my hand. Park your blue, please. We're going to make a graph to see which number wins. Okay, so I'm going to roll these 2 dice. So here we go. I'm going to roll 1. I'm going to roll the other one. All right, here's my first number. What number is this? Count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, wait. We're not coloring anything because I rolled my other dice. Look at what number showed up. These dots, how many did we say were here? 5. So now we're going to count on. Keep counting. We don't want to start over. We know there's 5. Keep counting. After 5 comes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number 10. Take your blue. Where's the number 10? Here it is. We're only coloring one square because 5 plus 5 equals 10 again. So we're coloring one square by number 10. We only rolled one number 10. Color neatly. All right. I'm going to keep track on the whiteboard. We're going to roll about like 10, maybe 12 times. So I'm going to keep track. So here's one. We rolled one time. All right, when you're done, park your crayon. We colored one square by 10 because 5 plus 5 equals 10. We have one number 10. Okay, I'm going to roll again. Here we go. If you were here, you would come up and help me roll. All right, the first number I rolled was this. Count with me. How many dots do you see? Ready? Go. 1, 2. All right, here's my second number. If we know there's 2, we're going to count on to find the sum, to find how many total. So 2, count on. After 2 comes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 makes 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So take your blue. We're going to color one square by the number 7 because we just rolled a 7. Stay in the lines. You don't want to color any of the other squares because then you're going to have it wrong. All right. Awesome. When you're done, park your blue. That was our second rule. These are called tally marks. We're going to learn about those later. Then we learn how to count by 5s. All right, so we have 2 rolls. Awesome. I'm going to roll again. Here we go. 1 roll, 2 rolls. Okay, here's my first cube. Count with me. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots on my first dice. Here's my second one. How many are on this one? Let's count to find the sum, our learning target. So we don't need to count again. We know there are 5. Keep counting. 6, 7. We get to color another one. Take your blue. Oh, 7 is winning. Color one more square by 7. Cool. Reading our graph shows us that 7 is winning. Who has the second most? And the number 10. And everyone else has the least. You got it. All right, so awesome. When you're done, park your blue. That was our third rule. 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, I'm gonna roll again. Your blue's parked. Here we go. Oh boy, we keep rolling this number. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There goes my other one. All right, so I know that I rolled 5. We're going to count on to find the sum, the total. So 5, count with me, count on. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. So take your blue. We're going to color one square by number 8. Awesome. Park your blue. That was our fourth rule. Who has the most right now? 7. Who has the second most? I see a tie. 8 and 10, right? And then everyone else has the least. Here we go. We're going to do it again. Here's my first rule. Ooh, this is a new one. How many do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my second one. 4. Ooh, we know this. 4, and we count on 4, and one more makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take your crayon. We're going to color one square by number 5. Awesome. All right, when you're done, park your blue. Oh, our 5th tally mark always goes across them. See, it looks like a fence. 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5. All right, here we go. I'm gonna roll my first cube. Oh, we got that number again. Count with me, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna roll my next one. Ah, no way, it's the same. 4, and one more makes 5. All right, take your blue. We're gonna color one more by 5. How cool. Ooh, now we have 2 ties, don't we? Because 5 and 7 have a tie for the most. And 8 and 10 have a tie for the second most. And everyone else has the least. You are coloring neatly, filling in the white spots, taking your time. Park your blue when you're done. That was roll number 6. All right, here we go. Ooh. Count with me, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's our second dice. Ooh. Okay, we had 6. Let's keep counting. We're going to count down. After 6 comes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where do you see 12? Right here, 1 and a 2 is 12. We're going to color 1. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's swell. That's a double. We know that one. All right. Awesome. Park your blue. That was our 7th roll. We're going to do 3 more, then we'll be done. All right, I'm going to roll this cube. Here we go. How many? Count with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we know we have 3. I'm going to roll this one under my chair. Okay, we're going to count these 2. So we know we already have 3, so we don't need to recount. So 3, keep counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you're going to take your crayon. Oh, we have one more at 8. Color one more at 8. Counting on is so easy. That means we don't have to start over and count all the dots we just counted, right? We know there were 3. We don't have to count those 3 again. Counting on to find the sum, the total of all the dots. That's our learning target. Are we doing our target? Are we meeting it? Yeah, we are. We are. We're not counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We already know there were 3, so we count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Park your blue. That was our 8th roll. 2 left. Here we go. I'm going to roll 1. How many? 2, you got it. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. So we know there's 2, so let's count on 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your blue crayon. 5 gets another one. Color one more for 5. Take your time. Stay in the lines for just that box, because if you have extras colored, it's going to be wrong. Park your blue when you're done. That was our 9th roll. We have one more roll and then we're done. Here's our last roll. Let's see. All right, how many dots on the cube? Count with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me roll the next one. Oh, all right, so we have 4. Let's keep counting. Ready, go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so take your blue. 10 gets another one. Color one more for 10. When you're done, I want you to park your blue. I'm going to ask you some questions. I want you to look at the graph. Awesome. That was our 10th. You parked your blue. Looking at your graph, my loves, who has the most? Which number 1? Yeah, 5. 5 has the tallest tower, right? Who has the second most? I see one of these. Yeah, look, 7, 8, and 10. They all have the second most because they each have 2. You got it. Who has the third most? Yeah, what number is that? 12. And who has the least, the smallest? Can you tell me all of them? 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, and 11. You got it. My loves, what you're going to do, if you did not finish your fact test, finish that and then ask your grown-up, your mom, dad, granny, daycare, whoever you're with, to upload a picture of your fact test and your graph to the blue math folder. Thanks for your fun work and help today. I hope you had fun. I love it. And we did get our target, didn't we? We found a sum. We found a total number of dots by counting on. Way to go. Mwah. Love you. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work.